Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start connecting with alumni with GradConnection, beginner guide step by step clearly. To start connecting with alumni using GradConnection, first, visit the GradConnection website. Create an account by clicking on the Sign Up button. Fill out the required information, including your name, email address, and password. Verify your email address by clicking on the link sent to your inbox. Once logged in, navigate to the Alumni section located in the main menu. Use the search bar to find alumni based on your university or program. Review the profiles of alumni who match your search criteria. Check their career paths, job roles, and industries they are working in. Identify alumni who share similar interests or career goals to yours. Click on the Connect button on their profile to send a connection request. You may choose to include a personalized message to introduce yourself. Wait for the alumni to accept your connection request. Once connected, take the opportunity to engage with them through direct messages. Ask for advice, insights about their industry, or any opportunities they may know of. Participate in alumni events listed in GradConnection to network further. Follow up with your connections regularly to maintain the relationship. Utilize various resources available on GradConnection to enhance your networking skills. Continue to explore and connect with more alumni as you progress in your career. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.